Once upon a time, there was a sweet little girl who lived in a village near the forest. She always wore a red riding cloak, so everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood, holding a basket. Little Red Riding Hood, your grandmother is not feeling well. Please take this basket of goodies to her. Excitedly. Yes, Mother, I'll go right away. And so Little Red Riding Hood set off through the forest to visit her grandmother. Narrator. As Little Red Riding Hood walked through the forest, she met a sly wolf. Good morning, Little Red Riding Hood. Where are you going? Little Red Riding Hood, innocently. I'm going to visit my grandmother. She's not feeling well, Wolf, thinking. What a nice surprise. I'll visit her too, but first I'll take a shortcut. The wolf hurried ahead to grandmother's house, while Little Red Riding Hood picked some flowers. Narrator. The wolf arrived at grandmother's house and knocked on the door. Grandmother, weakly, who is it? Wolf, imitating Little Red Riding Hood's voice. It's me, Little Red Riding Hood. The wolf entered, locked grandmother in the closet, and put on her clothes. He then got into her bed and waited. Narrator. Soon after, Little Red Riding Hood arrived at her grandmother's house. Little Red Riding Hood, knocking. Grandmother, it's me, Little Red Riding Hood. Wolf, disguised voice. Come in, dear. Little Red Riding Hood, noticing. Grandmother, what big eyes you have. Wolf, the better to see you with, my dear. Little Red Riding Hood, Grandmother, what big ears you have. Wolf, the better to hear you with, my dear. Little Red Riding Hood, Grandmother, what big teeth you have. Wolf, leaping out of bed, the better to eat you with. Just as the wolf was about to pounce, a woodcutter passing by heard Little Red Riding Hood's screams. Woodcutter, bursting in. Stop right there, Wolf, bursting in. Stop right there, Wolf. Narrator. The woodcutter chased the wolf away and rescued grandmother from the closet. Little Red Riding Hood, her grandmother, and the woodcutter all sat down to enjoy the goodies together. Grandmother, smiling.